Hi everyone, this is Indra. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to perform some mathematical operations as well as some logical operations in Microsoft Excel. As we know that the Microsoft Excel is totally related with the mathematics. It is totally related with the mathematical expressions, formula, and some logical operations. So here I am just going to illustrate how to use that mathematical operations, formula and logical operations in the Microsoft Excel. Please watch this video till the end. Basically, here I am going to prepare the result sheet of class 10 students. Here I will use the different mathematical operations as well as logical operations to prepare this result sheet. Okay. Here the operations will be here the total, percentage, grade and remarks. I am just going to fill these space. Okay, here I have already entered all the data of name of the students and the corresponding marks in the different subjects. I have already entered that. I am just going to perform here the total, percentage, grade and the remarks. I am just going to fill in this blank. Okay, and for this I will use the different mathematical operations which are already given in this Microsoft Excel. I'm just going to illustrate how to use that mathematical operations in Microsoft Excel. Okay, here I have just entered the first column. In the first column, name of the students. These are the Ospin, Osmol, Diwas, Nilima. These are the name of the students. And here uh, in the first row we can see the different subjects here: English, compulsory math, optional mathematics, science and so on. Here let me just take one student's marks. Here the Ospin, first student is Ospin. Here he has got 66 marks in English subject. Similarly 45 marks in compulsory mathematics, 60 marks in optional mathematics and so on. I am just going to fill here the total marks, corresponding percentage, grade and the remarks. Okay, first of all let me just fill this total value. We can do the total. Okay, let me just here take this all. Let me just select this and the one region here. I'm just going to fill the output of the total in this region. So I have just taken this column, extra column, this total, because I am just going to put the result of the total in this blank. Okay, and here we have one uh, very interesting, very beautiful expressions. Here the very beautiful tab in this Microsoft Excel. Okay, let me just type here the auto sum. If we do auto sum, then the automatically the result will be displayed here. The sum will be displayed. Okay, here I have just entered to the auto sum button here, and here the total marks of Mr. Osbin Thava is here 415. Similarly, the total of other students are also shown here. Okay, let me just calculate the corresponding percentage of each students. Okay, first of all let me just type the formula on this cell. Okay, let me just take this cell, and here is the formula bar. Here we can type the different formula. Okay, and before entering the formula we have to just enter the equals to button here. Equals to sign. Okay, not button, equals to symbol, equals to, and let me just the total the percentage value. Okay, not total, the percentage value is totally depending on the total result. Okay, so let me just take the cell of the total, which is here indicated by, it is I4. Okay, we have to divide the total okay, total marks, total obtained marks divided by the full marks. The full mark here, the how many subjects? English one subject, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, total 7 subjects of each full marks 100. Okay, total marks will be 700. Okay, 700 total obtained marks divided by full marks, total full marks 700, and then we have to multiply by 100. Okay, this will be the just the percentage value. Okay, and let me just hit the enter button. Okay, here automatically this percentage value is here calculated 59.2857 and so on. And we need for these cells also. Okay, let me just drag and drop here. We can do the drag and drop for the same formula for each cells here. Okay, here I have just drag and drop, and here the each percentage is calculated here. The percentage of each students is here calculated directly. And let me just give the grade. Okay, and we have to enter here in the grade cell. Okay, and let me go to the formula bar, and here we have to first give enter the equals to symbol, equals to, and we have to use the if condition. If the result is, if the percentage, okay, the grade is totally dependent on the percentage. If the percentage is located here in the J4, this means the J column, J column and the 4 row. J4, if the J4 is greater than, okay, is greater than, okay, let me just type the greater than symbol, is greater than 90 percentage. Okay, if the percentage is above the 90 percentage, okay, greater than and equals to also 90 percentage, then we have to enter, we have to give the grade is the A plus. Okay, let me just type the A plus. Okay, this will be the output. If the percentage, if the percentage is greater than or equals to 90 percentage, then we have to just show the grade is the A plus. Okay, this is the first command. And giving the column here, giving the comma for the next operation, and then entering to the if again. If here and if the percentage is less than 90 degree from, okay, from 80 to, from 80 to 90, okay, from 80 to less than 90, then we have to give the grade as the A. Okay, let me just give the grade. If this percentage, let me just percentage J4 is greater than, okay, greater than or equals to, greater than or equals to how much, 80. Okay, 80, then we have to show the result as the A. Okay, just A, capital A. Okay, not small a. Let me just change here, this capital A. Okay, let me just change this letter as capital A. Okay, if the percentage is greater than or equals to 80 and less than 90, then we have to just show the grade as the A grade. Okay, and comma, and the next command, if okay, if again, if the percentage is here represented by the J4 is greater than or equals to greater than or equals to 70. Okay, let me just type 70, greater than or equals to 70, greater than or equals to 70, and below 80. Okay, below 80, then we have to show the grade is the B plus. Okay, B plus. Okay, just showing the this grade B plus, and so on. We can make the different here the arguments, different logical test. Okay, B plus. Okay, for the percentage from 7 to below 80, we have to just show the grade B plus. Okay, and let me just take the one next extra. Okay, if conditions, if the percentage, okay, let me just, J4 is greater than or equals to 60, then we have to just show the result as the greater than or equals to 60 and less than 70. Okay, then we have to show the result as the B, just B grade. Okay, just grade B. Okay, just grade B. These are the criteria for the grading system. This is just the grading system. I have just entering the formula for the grading system B, and comma, and if the result, if the percentage Okay, let me just type here percentage. Sorry, let me just go here. If this percentage, okay, J4 is less than 60, okay, less than 60, then we have to show the grade is the F grade. Okay, directly F grade. We can give the grade like this. We can enter the grade like this. I'm just directly doing here the grade F. Okay, and then we have to close the parenthesis. And how many parentheses here open? Okay, let me just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let me just give the 5 parentheses. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then we have to press the enter button. Okay, here automatically the grade F is here. It is here less than, it is less than 60, so the grade F. I am just going to apply this formula to each cell, to every student. So we have to just do the drag and drop. Okay, here we can see the grade here, different grade. Okay, here this percentage is 59.28. It is less than 60, so F grade here. And this percentage 64 percentage, and let me just go to the rule. 64 percentage greater than or equals to 60 and less than 70, then we have to print just the B grade. Okay, here it is operating. Similarly, it is doing here. Okay, this is just the grading system. And Remax. Okay, Remax is totally based on the grade. Okay, let me just use the same formula here. Okay, let me just copy and go to the Remax here, and then here in the formula box, let me just paste here the same formula. Instead of the grade, I have just go to the give the Remax in place of A plus. Okay, let me just here A plus, I will give the excellent. Okay, excellent grade. Okay, excellent Remax. Okay, excellent. I am just going to replace this grade alphabets to the words. Okay, excellent. And if the percentage is below 90 percentage, I am to 80 percentage. Okay, then we have to give the very good. Okay, giving very good. Similarly, if the percentage is greater than or equals to 70 and below 80, then we have to just give just good. Okay, and if the percentage is 60 greater than 60 percentage and less than 70 percentage, then we have to go we have to give just give okay, satisfactory. Okay, satisfactory. Okay, and if the percentage is less than 60, then we have to give insufficient. This is just the grading system, just the rule. You can type here anything according to the rule. Okay, and then just entering. Okay, and here the result, we can see the result insufficient is present here. It is less than 60, so insufficient. And I am just going to apply this formula to every student. So just drag and drop. Okay, here we can see, and here the this is the ode is not exactly fitted. Okay, let me just do here. We can extend the size of the cell here. Okay, and here I have finally prepared this mark sheet, total, percentage, grade, and corresponding remarks also. Here I have just applied the different logical operations, logical as well as some mathematical formula, mathematical operations in Microsoft Excel. This is the way of doing, way of using the different mathematical operations as well as the logical operations in Microsoft Excel. Here we have just learned the different things here, how to create the result sheet also here. So in our next video, we will discuss more about such types of the topic. So please keep watching, keep loving this channel, and don't forget to subscribe this channel also. This much for today. Thank you all of you.